In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone call automatically going to the speaker mode. Well, so fixing the speaker mode problem during calls on iPhone is super easy. But before I start the video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to prevent your iPhone from automatically going to the speaker mode, you just need to open up the settings app first. And from the settings, you just need to scroll down a little bit and tap on accessibility. And then scroll down again and tap on touch here. And inside the touch, you just need to scroll down a little bit. And here you get the option called call audio routing. You just need to tap on this. And it might be selected with the speaker. That's why every call you make or you get, this is actually going to the speaker mode. You just need to select the automatic. Now your phone is going to automatically choose how you want to get this call. And this is how you can fix this problem. Hope you find this helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.